Bay window installation in Austin, Texas offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles, Austin, Texas residents can choose from, including modern bay windows Austin TX and traditional bay windows Austin, there's a perfect fit for every home. Bay Window Contractors Austin, Texas are skilled in providing top-notch bay window solutions Austin, ensuring a seamless installation process. Custom bay windows Austin TX are a popular choice for those looking to add a personal touch to their homes. These custom bay windows allow for unique bay window design Austin options, tailored to fit the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner. Bay window customization Austin TX provides endless possibilities for creating a distinctive look that complements the existing architecture. Energy-efficient bay windows Austin are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. These energy-efficient bay windows Austin are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window experts in Austin can provide guidance on the best energy-efficient bay window options Austin to suit your needs. Bay window replacement Austin, Texas is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Bay window replacement, Austin, Texas ensures that your home remains secure and visually appealing. Bay window specialists Austin TX are experienced in handling all aspects of bay window replacement, from removal to installation. For those in need of bay window replacement in Austin, there are numerous bay window contractors Austin, Texas ready to assist. Bay window replacement in Austin can address issues such as leaks, drafts, and broken glass, restoring the functionality and appearance of your windows. Bay window maintenance. Austin is also crucial for prolonging the life of your windows and preventing future problems. Residential bay windows Austin offer a charming addition to any home, providing extra space and natural light. These residential bay windows Austin can be customized to match the style and decor of your home, with options ranging from traditional bay windows Austin to modern bay windows Austin TX. Bay window enhancements. Austin can further elevate the look and feel of your living space. Commercial bay windows Austin TX are an excellent choice for businesses looking to make a statement. These commercial bay windows Austin TX can be designed to reflect the brand's image and attract customers. Bay window design. Austin plays a crucial role in creating an inviting and professional atmosphere for any commercial space. Affordable bay windows Austin are available for those on a budget, without compromising on quality or style. Affordable bay windows Austin provide a cost-effective solution for enhancing your home's appearance and value. Bay window estimates Austin can help you determine the best options for your budget and needs. Bay window consultation. Austin, Texas is an essential step in the process of selecting and installing new windows. During a bay window consultation, Austin, Texas, experts will assess your home's architecture and discuss your preferences to recommend the best bay window options Austin. This personalized approach ensures that you receive the perfect bay window solutions Austin for your home.